check out this UPSC Medical Officer's book. Now, this book has been authored by a team of doctors: Professor Ejaz, Head of the Department Surgery, Associate Dean, SKIMS Medical College; Dr. Umar, MCH Plastic Surgery, SKIMS Sora; Dr. Ashfaq, Head of the Department Anatomy, SKIMS Bimina; and Dr. Munib, Medical Officer, PSC, Kashmir. Now, as far as the book is concerned, you can see that there are so many books in the market, but this book is as per the latest syllabus. All the important topics are given in the book in a concise manner, subject wise, high yield topics, previous year's questions, what is expected ahead as well. Now, we have segregated the book into different subjects: medicine, pediatrics, SPM, statistics, gynae ops, as well as surgery. It is not only medicine, it is medicine along with all the specialities: cardiology, endocrinology, oncology, hepatology, as well as pediatrics, including pediatric neonatology, including pediatric gastro, pediatric neuro, pediatric nephro, and other features as well. Surgery, along with the combined subjects of general surgery, surgical oncology, and rest of the branches of the surgery, and input from the most important topics. Thanks a lot.